Siloso, Singapore's only preserved coastal fort. And see what I bring today? Nikon Z30. It is the latest, lightest, compact Z series camera and is perfect for content creators. So let's see what we can do with this to explore the place and take more photos and videos. Let's go! Z30, it has a very angle screen. No angle is our position. You can twist and you can touch. So with a rig attached, we can do a selfie. Let's do it! 1, 2, 3. Girls, let's do a
360 recording.
So red light is on, it shows that it's recording. Let's go! Go! Girls, let's do a time lapse of you walking to the next shelter.
Yay!
Let's take a look downstairs.
But Mom, isn't it so dark? How do you take photos of us?
Don't worry, this camera comes with superior low light performance for both videos and photos. Let's go! Girls, let's take a photo here. Pose. 1, 2, 3. Yes!
Mom, can you take a photo of us jumping?
Sure. I'll do a multiple shots of you all doing star jump.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Mom, is the video sharp?
Yes, it has Eye Autofocus Feature, so it's definitely sharp. Shall we choose some photos to be posted on Instagram?
Sure, but the photos are in the camera.
Oh, very simple, using the app SnapBridge. And just a few clicks away. See, the photos are here.
Wow, that's so easy. We should use Nikon Z30 for all our future outings.